The practice of releasing grasping and aversion comes from the dream yoga practices of Tibetan Buddhism. It's not a religious practice. It doesn't involve any deity worship or anything like that. It's a way of viewing and relating to your experience in life, and honestly opening up to this practice, releasing grasping and aversion, can completely change your life and your relationship with especially troubling situations. That's why I like it. So this is actually a foundational step in Dream Yoga. It's called a preliminary step. It's before you get to the main practice, and really you need a solid understanding, kind of experience of this concept I'm going to explain in order for the main practice to work well for you. But it says that this entire practice deals with dreams and lucid dreaming. Being lucid in the dream state is being aware during a state of consciousness when you would normally not be aware. Normally in a dream, something you take is very serious, something crazy, is going on, and you think that it's real. You think that you're awake. You think that you're lucid. You think you know what's going on, and you don't know what's going on, and you're acting crazy, and you don't realize until you actually wake up that, it was all a dream. Now, we also have the same type of experiences in the daytime. In particular, when you are experiencing something with heightened emotion. Many times we experience this when we're having a difficult or a troubling situation. We find that in a way we lose touch with reality. We become less lucid. We become less aware, and we're not able to make an appropriate decision. Instead, we are perceiving in a way that is not beneficial to us, and we're responding and reacting to the way, this negative perception that kind of makes it manifest even more, and we focus on it even more. So this practice really deals with that. So what we're essentially trying to do is build up this sense of awareness, this mindfulness. You always hear me talking about mindfulness meditation. We're trying to build up this skill. So what we want to do is remind ourselves to be mindful and to be aware, to actually be lucid, to be awake during times when we typically would not be feeling that way, would not be in that state of consciousness. Just like in the dream state, you are trying to become lucid. You're trying to wake up to the fact that you're dreaming while you're dreaming, bringing this level of consciousness into a space where it normally would not be. So the experiences that you have during the day, when you take them as being very serious, just like in the dream, when you take something as being very serious, you want to remind yourself in that moment, hey, stop, look. This experience is made of, as they say, phenomena that are arising and disappearing. Think about something troubling could have happened to you yesterday, and that experience already happened. It's gone. Really, you can only ever be in the present moment. That experience is gone, and it is the attaching to that experience and bringing it mentally and emotionally into the present moment, into a place where it's not, is what continues all of the negative responding and reacting, this inappropriate relationship. Now, does this mean that we completely view that experience as not having happened at all? No. It's an illusion. Like an illusion, it seems to be there. It does appear. So this practice is not saying that those things don't appear, or to disregard negative situations, or to minimize things. It's not saying to do any of that. Acknowledge what is there, but also be mindful of how you are responding and how you are reacting in the moment. Are you doing this from a lucid place where you're aware of what's going on? You know, because sometimes you think you know what's going on, but you really don't know what's going on, and you don't realize that until you wake up. You're trying to wake up early. If all of this makes sense and you want to learn a little bit more, go ahead and drop hashtag dreams in the comment section below, and I'll send you my full video on using this releasing, grasping, and aversion technique in order to bring a little bit more mindfulness to your experience and to your day, and to help you with self-care. So essentially what you want to be doing is once again, in those moments when you find yourself being very serious or being very tense, being very emotionally caught up, what you want to do is you can say this is a dream, or I am dreaming, or this is like a dream. If this is a dream is too strong for you, think about when you say it, you know, it has to make sense to you. And hopefully the previous explanation kind of put together some ideas on how this concept of phenomena arising and disappearing in the relationship to the phenomena, how this is going to work on a personal day-to-day life, and how it uses this metaphor and really symbol of dreams. You know, so this is the terminology that we're working with, and the practice and the framework that we're working within. And so you really want to be mindful. So if you remind yourself, oh, this is an illusory experience, you know, this is a dreamlike experience. It is a precious experience at that, you know, it's like a very delicate experience as well. So it has all of these types of connotations, but remind yourself in those moments, this is like a dream. This is like a dream. If you are a practitioner of dream yoga or lucid dreaming or dream work, then you may be going as far as saying, this is a dream, I am dreaming, because you're using this as even a reality check moment. A moment of daytime lucid dreaming practice when you are using your dream signs from the night, expecting and being open and aware to encountering them throughout your daytime experience. And when you do encounter them, you remind yourself this is a dream, and you do your reality check, and then you go through your intention of whatever it is that you want to do. So hopefully when you have that same experience in the nighttime, you're now triggering yourself to do that same thing, and in the nighttime you have an experience and you say, oh shoot, I'm dreaming. You do your reality check, you jump up and down, put your hand through your finger, look at some text, look away, whatever it is that you do, and your result comes out that you are dreaming, and now you have become lucid in your dream. So this is a little bit of how that practice goes back and forth. It really has helped me in my personal day-to-day life, because when I encounter a troubling situation or something difficult, instead of getting very serious and getting very closed down, I create this awareness in the moment just by reminding myself this is a dreamlike experience. You know, that allows you to wake up. Even if you're like arguing with someone, you can in a way not get sucked so into it, so that you have the ability to perceive it differently, and you have the ability to make different choices and have different responses, rather than, you know, you're in a confrontation with someone and they're arguing and you're arguing and you fussing and you fighting and this and that, and you know, just you can have some more control, more awareness. So hopefully you have enjoyed this. I may make other videos on Tibetan Dream Yoga practices. If you like this, if you got something from it, make sure to leave me a comment below. If you don't know who I am, my name is Aaron. I am a certified life coach, mindfulness and meditation practitioner, and mindset guru. If this content appealed to you, go ahead and make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you can get notifications on all future videos. And take a look around my channel. You may find something that seems very interesting to you.